Found them. Found them. Right where I put them where I wouldn't lose them. That's literally all the instructions. Pretty simple. Hardest part's going to be getting a comfortable spot to drill out the end of that sway bar. Which, I hope I have the right size bolt. 7/16. Sway bar end must be drilled or filed to allow clearance of the provided 7/16 half-inch bolt. See arrow for photo 2. Not a very good picture, but it's got to be on the sway bar itself. That looks like an awfully big bolt hole. Both sides. Cat butt. Which one is that? That Cuda? That's Miss Cuda. Coming out to pay a visit. I didn't know she was out too. So they're both jumping the fence now. So I'm going to put those right there. Don't let me lose them. I'll put tools on top of them. I'll be looking for them when I come back, but at least they won't blow away. I'm going to show you something real quick. Something else I ordered for the Jeep that I forgot about. Still got these tires for sale. Nobody's picked up on those yet. Figured with hunting season they would have jumped on them, but I bought one of these little gizmos. Subwoofer enclosure. It's not installed yet. Fits right in the little factory cubby hole there. Doesn't have one on the other side. Most people think it does, but slips right in. And there's some screws and whatnot. I did order a subwoofer on eBay. I went for an Infinity. I think that's the same speakers I got in this thing, so a little 8-inch. So we'll wait for that to show up, and I'll probably wait a while till I get the amps. I have no idea where I'm going to put them. I don't know if I can do it at the back of the seat. Thought about doing something up on the roof. I'd be worried about it ripping off and falling down. Another option would be underneath the front seats if there's room for them. But if I do any deep water crossing, they're going to get soaked. So I got the materials to build another, to build center console lid. Chunk of plywood here. Cut that out. Another buddy at work, his mom does upholstery, so I got some foam. I'm going to see about putting it around it, shape it the way I want, and then have her just cover it up with some gray type fabric. But yeah, there's a full fishing kit for the front end of this thing. Eventually I'll get around to putting that on. I had some problem with my lug nuts. I don't know if somebody was taking them or if they were disappearing. I think somebody was trying to take them. So I bought a full set. I replaced one of them already. 2 days in a row, and I didn't even drive the Jeep, and 3 of the lug nuts went missing on this thing. No idea who's doing it, but if I were to lose a wheel on one of these swampers, that'd be rough. Especially considering I do a jaunt on the freeway to get to work. Should do something with that lock sometime. Telling all of YouTube that my back door doesn't lock. Alrighty. We got 4.5 minutes into this one. Wait, where'd the instructions go? Oh yeah, right here. Just kidding, I'm not that fuddled yet. Anybody need some factory sway bar end links? No? Okay. Some nice bolts. We're going to hang on to those. Yeah, a little spider web in there. Never throw hardware away if it's in decent shape. That's going to be thrown away though. Probably save that end washer. Throw that in the parts bin. You never know, you may need it. Especially if I'm going to be beating on this thing. Also have the factory rear sway bar for this if anybody might be interested in it. I doubt it, but if you are, let me know. If you're too far away, I'll just charge you shipping, but I'm not going to get any money out of it, so. They're not very strong, and to be honest with you, I didn't notice any difference when I took it off. It drives the same. I don't know if stiffer springs in the back help, or if they're just that weak of a sway bar. There goes Kitty Cat. So, Skyjacker, sway bar, U-bracket force, must mean sway bar, SBB2. Hey kitty. There's Miss Barracuda. She's the one that used to just growl and hiss and be such a pain. Hey, cat. She's turned out to be a real nice kitty. I wonder if these are what they're talking about. Well, sway bar end must be drilled to provide clearance for the 7/16 by 1.5 inch bolt. See arrow in photo 2. The new end link mounting bracket should be mounted to the bottom of the sway bar with a bolt pointing through the sway bar and the nut and 7/16 USS washer applied to top. Again, see picture 2. Probably can't read that, I'm too far away. Apply lithium grease to the polyurethane bushings. Do I have any lithium grease? Pretty sure I do. Hope I do. If not, AutoZone's just right down the road. Let's see here. I think that's the 1.5 inches. Don't you love the way I think? Well, it fits through there. And it's going to fit through there. I don't know why we're supposed to be drilling. Got the old Jerry Reed music playing in the background. Since the 80s rock CD is done. Come on. Get this sticker off. Almost there. Hey, check that out. Garbage. At work, we call that FOD, foreign object debris. In the airplane industry, that is bad. Alright, let's reposition here. Get the old action shot set up. Maybe I won't throw these away. I'm going to need it here for a second. Let's see if we can flip the screen over so I can see what you guys are looking at. Yeah, that ain't going to work. Alright, hopefully it's going to be there. Bolt. It says you're supposed to drill that hole out, but it fits. I don't know if it's supposed to be that big or if they were planning on modifying this at some point. Alright, I can't find a good spot to set this thing where you all can see everything. It's going to need 2 hands. Stand by a second. Alright. Let's at least get her started. Why is it not wanting to start? That's the wrong size nut. What the hell did they do? Give me 2 different size nuts in this bag? Or is it supposed to? It's probably supposed to be the nylon nut. Alright, we're working on it. Hold on, almost there. That's better. Alrighty. Are you impressed? Ooh. Wait. That's better. Let's go to the other side. There's the old Super Swamper is the background there. Fairly impressive tire in the dirt. I just hate their road manners. I just do not need a tire that aggressive. And when I get that steel rim cleaned up, just gonna go get probably gonna look for the cheapest mud terrain tire I can find to throw in there. I'm not a discount tire who took all my old rubber off, and they quoted me I think like 105, 110 for their cheapest 31 by 1050 tire. I didn't ask what type of tread it was, but I think I'll go for something that's a little more aggressive than a street tire, just in case I need to use it to get out of something. And I got two different washers too. I think I put the wrong washer on that last setup. Yeah, in fact I know I did. So let's go back over here. And is it showing up? Probably not. Bear with me. Out here by myself, so I'm talking to you guys. Okay, swap washers. I wonder if that's part of the clunking too. This hole's a little big. That one away. Grab these. Let's go to the other side. Is that going to show? Nope. You can see my hand way up here. Let's go right there. It's still not going to show. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, that's up the top. What the heck? Oh, I forgot. The part we're going to install. Yeehaw! Those are the same CD I burned for the Jeep when I cruise around. Alrighty, 13 minutes in, I'm going to shut the camera off, get those run down, and we'll move on to the next step. See you in a few.